Sometimes I feel I haven't got enough. The journey's hard, the road is often rough. My talent's small, my resources seem thin. A quiet fear, it tries to creep within. But then I lift my eyes to heaven's throne and realize I'm never on my own. The God who owns the cattle on 1,000 hills, my every longing, He so gently fills. He is more than enough, my provider and my King. Whatever I may need, His hand will surely bring. From depths of lack to overflowing store, He is more than enough forevermore. My cup runs over with His blessings untold, more precious than silver, more precious than gold.